welcome back to another video. It's me, Simply Donuts, and today I am with Summer's Confetti. Oh, okay. I will link her YouTube in the description box down below. Go check it out. She makes awesome videos. But today we are in Flea Facility, and we're going to be doing the No Sound Challenge. So, yeah. We're playing one round. Yeah. So, yeah, let's go ahead and we're going to lead this intermission and see what happens. So I've never done the no sound challenge before, so I don't know how this is gonna play out.
But I do it all the time when I play.
So
Because I can't play.
comment down below if you guys want to see any more Flea Facility challenges, because we actually like this game, so we'll definitely be willing to do more videos like this for you guys. I know this is the first video I've done of Flea Facility on my channel, but I want to do more, definitely. So, alright, we're going to be doing the Facility_0 by Mr. Windy. This is like my favorite map of all times, because I basically memorized this entire map. So, let's go. Oh, I'm a survivor.
I'm the beast.
Oh, so Summer is the beast. Ooh.
Yep.
So you can get me if you want,
No.
because she knows I'm really good. Okay, this is going to be hard because I won't be able to know. I'm not looking at her screen, guys. She is sitting next to me, but I am following the rules and I'm not looking at her screen.
I'm around.
Okay. I better escape out of here. I'm not.
I got somebody.
Because these teammates are AFK.
These people are bad.
She's just saying that because they're AFK.
Not maybe.
I'm almost finished with one computer, but like almost 3/4 left, or 1/4 left, 3/4 done. So, yeah, it's kind of awkward without the background music because it's just really quiet, but oh my gosh, I almost missed that. Woo! Oh no! Oh! We all know Summer's gonna camp because
Oh no, because somebody is with him.
hey guys, I don't know, should I go save them or should I think I'm just gonna keep hacking.
Did it. Open.
Ah!
What?
Nothing?
You saved him!
No. No, I did not.
Yes,
I
you
don't
did.
save people. I was hacking.
No. You're gonna save the girl too.
No.
Yeah, you are.
No, I did not. I'm hacking computer.
Then how did you get out?
She didn't. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't save people.
You just saved the girl.
I'm mean.
No,
Sorry,
I'm
bud.
gonna camp.
Well, he's dead anyway. He's AFK, so.
Girlfriend. No.
Sorry, I had to. She was camping, and you were AFK.
Got it.
Well. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. And you're gonna camp, and that's not nice. I'm not coming because I don't want you to camp.
That's the fun part.
It's not nice.
Because, yeah, well, come. And then I'm gonna...
No, girl, run!
She's not running.
I'm not going to save them. I'm sorry, but you're AFK, and I'm just risking myself.
Well, she was new, but she didn't have enough time before I got her.
Sorry, girl.
That.
I'm sorry.
I'm coming for you now.
No, you're not. You don't know where I am. You don't know where I am based.
Where are you?
I'm just running around.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
Hi.
Oh my gosh!
That's the room where I started.
Girl! No! This girl was trying to send me a friend request and I couldn't. It was in my way. No. No. It's not fair. You're a camper. Campers are icky.
No, I'm not.
Please, no. Please.
Not even with me. Where the heck are you?
What?
No. What? Wait, what? Hey! No!
Hee hee. Okay, guys, I am far away now. No!
No, you're not.
Come get me, BC.
I was hiding.
No, please. Please.
No.
No. Go away. No. I have nowhere to go. I'm trapped. I cannot get caught in this room. I cannot get caught. There's so many things happening. I'm sorry, you guys. Your eardrums are bleeding. Come get me. Rip. I'm sorry, guys. We get really aggressive with places. And I just lost.
Now you can beat a level 5 when you're on level 29.
Alright, guys, so we're gonna play another round because that round was only lasted like 5 or 4
I'm gonna
minutes.
buy a box.
Okay.
I'm gonna buy a stone. Because I don't have one. Ooh, I got it!
You got the moo one! I need
I
that.
have a pink hammer. The pink blue hammer.
I know I have the brown one.
I'm gonna put
Because
it
we
on.
traded.
Oh, why am I? Okay, I'm gonna put it on.
Guys, we're going to look at her new hammer. Oh, cute.
I'm gonna say my other hammer to my other ugly hammer.
Alright, guys, we will see you when the next round starts.